Time records. One of the most beloved performers in recording history. The incomparable Leonard Crackerwagon. Known throughout the world as Mr. Sound Effects. He has performed more sound effects than Elvis and the Beatles combined. Now, a collection of hundreds of his best-known, best-loved body noises and sound effects. As only Mr. Sound Effects can create them. Here is an album you'll listen to again and again. You get popping tires, grunting pigs, siren wailing, stubbed toe, barking dog, door creaking, wind blowing, pants ripping, and the international favorite, gargling. Plus, you'll get hundreds more. You'll thrill as Mr. Sound Effects creates great moments from motion picture history. The Poseidon Adventure, the Boston Strangler, Robin Hood, the Towering Inferno, and Treasure Island. But that's not all. You also get a bonus disc. The sounds of falling off a cliff. Johnny Mathis. A cow. Fred McMurray.
Chip, Bernie, Uncle Charlie,
A guy from the Towering Inferno. And Marcel Marceau. So you don't forget, order now to receive all my best, the brilliant sounds of Mr. Sound Effects, Leonard Crackerwagon. You won't believe your ears.
To receive your copy of the exciting All My Best album, The Brilliant Sounds of Leonard Crackerwagon, send $14.95 cash only to Crackerwagon, 50 Quackenbush Avenue, Chunky, Iowa, 55555. That's Crackerwagon, 50 Quackenbush Avenue, Chunky, Iowa, 55555. Order PDQ. Records are sold by volume. Some settling of contents may occur during show.